Hello, guys. This is your boy Gold Sniper here, and let's begin our analysis of XAUUSD. Now, before I jump to my analysis, I'm just gonna quickly go through the economic calendar. That is, all, I'm going to cover all the major news which is going to be coming out tomorrow. So tomorrow is actually the biggest event in the forex, entire forex market, and that is the FOMC meeting where they decide two things. One will be the interest rate decision. That is whether they will hike the interest rate or whether they will keep the interest rate same or they could cut interest rate. Right now, cutting interest rate is not going to happen. Most likely, 99% of the market is betting either is betting on a pause that they will not hike the interest rate this meeting, but maybe in the next they could do. Or option number two is where only 1% of the market is expecting that they may hike interest rate by another 25 basis point. Okay, so 99% is expecting a pause, but supposedly if he does hike the interest rate tomorrow, then that will be a big shocker to the market, and we can see a huge crash, not just the indices but also even the price of gold also we can see a huge crash. All right, but like I said, the probability of that is 1%. Market most likely market is expecting a pause. Okay, but still, even if let's say it doesn't hike the interest rate, everybody will be listening very closely to every single word that Mr. Powell will speak tomorrow, and also they will go through the statement to see if anything in there suggests that higher for longer rate hikes or anything hawkish statement or anything hawkish in that entire meeting. They will be looking for that. Okay, so tomorrow, so we can expect when this news comes, when Mr. It's better when Mr. Powell starts speaking, better to stay away, because every single word, there is going to be very big, up moves and down moves. And similarly, even after FOMC end, the next day also is going to be super volatile. Okay, so it's going to be highly charged, action packed. Now we will jump to the chart of gold. So gold, as you can see on a daily chart, okay, it's formed a sort of like a doji candle. Now the thing about doji, I want to tell you a thing about doji candle. Generally, a doji candle signifies indecision in the market, like the market is confused, to go up, whether to go up from here or down from here, etc. All right, so it's a basically a confusion. So it could be, from here, either it could go down or go up also, or either the trend can continue, or it can, either reverse trend or give a correction of that sort. All these things are possible. Now doji candle makes sense because if you will see, tomorrow is the major, the meeting that's going to happen. Now after the meeting we can see a decisive move in the, in the chart of gold. Okay, and I'll just show you some in the past, like how doji candles were formed and how market behave. So this too is a doji candle. If you'll see here, we made a low of like 1900, very close to 1900, and see after that the previous trend was a downtrend. Okay, and then see this I'm showing, the previous trend was a downtrend. Gold formed a doji and then it reversed. Okay, so you see how interesting this doji candle is. And similarly over here, 3 days gold formed a doji candle, then it decided to go down again, formed a doji candle, and then it reversed trend. All right, even similar little bit more further if we'll go, see gold here gold from 1885 rallied till like 1950 levels. Okay, and almost we can say it's a sort of doji candles only, it was forming gold for like 4 days. And after the doji candle you can see, like of gold went up, made there were doji candles, and then it decided to come down. All right, so that's the significance of a doji candle. Either the trend can continue from up here, or it can is just a warning sign that right now market is indecisive, and if it decides trend can reverse from here, that's what the sign is. And tomorrow seems the perfect time. Either the trend will continue from here or it can reverse from here, depends on what the FOMC statements are gonna be. All right, and now this was the daily analysis. And one more thing I wanted to show you on a daily basis is that slowly, the trend is sort of becoming bullish, once again becoming bullish, because if you will see, earlier, we were, this, if you see this rally from 1600, that is when the Fed stopped hiking interest rates. I mean, no, they slowed down the pace of hiking interest rates. That's when we saw the fall in DXY, and then gold rallied till like 2080 level, okay, because of this, also Ukraine Russia war and everything. All this scenario caused gold to rally till here. So after this one may move over here, this you can say is like a correction. Okay, we can say it's a, price is correcting right now. And how can I say that the slowly trend is becoming bullish? Because if you will see, price was coming down, okay, and it made a low of like around 1885. But if you will see, slowly this, this is curving, okay. Slowly, it is, just give me a second. We are going to use this, yeah. So if you will see, slowly this, the trend is, curving out. So price is trying to, consolidate here, and maybe after some time we can see it again starting its up move, okay, its upward journey. So it's possible, okay. That's what, or if the FOMC meeting doesn't go as expected and they come out too hawkish, it can continue for the downwards trend also, okay. Now I will jump to the, the hourly chart for our analysis. Now if you will see on the hourly chart, gold today, it fell till like almost 1930. Here I had given my buy call at around close to very 1930. Easily it gave a 50 move till like 1935. But in the evening, you see, gold may try to go up, but it couldn't, okay. And like I showed you on the daily chart, for last 3 days we are continuously going up. So gold decided to, cool down a little bit, and it came down. But see, it didn't touch even now also 1930, okay. So for tomorrow, we will follow a very basic analysis. We will watch whether gold is able to break and sustain above 1935 or not. If gold is not able to sustain above this level, or not able to break this level, we will try to short it. And the best place to short this, shorting attempt, if like it's not able to go above, is somewhere close to 1935. We can short it for like a target of 1930, okay. And remember, overall, since the trend is very bullish, it's not going to come down too much also. I mean, there's going to be a lot of buyers are going to be present at the lower levels. All right. So we cannot play on the sell side for a very big target, but if we get it at the right price, like 19, that if it, 1935 or even 1940 also, if it comes, we can attempt to sell over here also. Okay. So basically, we are looking to sell gold. Okay. At the same time, let's say if it opens, like if it touches 1930 or below, somewhere it goes, we can play for like a 20-40 pip buy move also. All right. But overall, we'll keep our press on the, based on where gold is, we will try to take the buy or sell call, okay. In the Asian session, in the American session, we'll definitely will have to look after the other major datas, and especially the FOMC, and based on that, we will try to plan our trades. All right. And now one more thing, we'll just jump to the chart of DXY also. So DXY, if you will see, is DXY2 is also formed a doji candle for today, if you will see. Yeah, so this again right here is an indecision candle, okay. We can clearly see sellers tried to push it down, buyers took it above. Now it is in an indecision candle, and that is what it should be right now. It should be indecisive. Tomorrow after the meeting, only DXY will determine whether to go up or down. But if DXY crashes, that is super bullish news for gold. But one major thing I forgot to tell you on the chart of gold is that, see, for tomorrow I will tell you one thing on the daily chart of gold. I'll use the 4 hour time frame. So on the daily chart of gold, like I said, there's a head and shoulder pattern going on. Okay, and if Powell says something hawkish statement, we can expect gold to give a pullback. Okay, and since because of this head and shoulder, I'm bullish on gold. So it might dip till like around 1920 or like 1915 also. If we if we see some sign of reversal over here, definitely I will give a buy call only on gold. All right. So that's my analysis for gold. And guys, if you're liking my analysis and you want to be part of if you want more analysis and other things, and if you want to discuss with me also, you can join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description below. And if you want to open an account and trade XAUUSD, you can open an account with XNES. It's a multi-regulated broker and it has presence in over 130 countries. All right, so even the link for that will be in the description below. So all right guys, hope we make profit tomorrow as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.